In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access and customize the timeline view, so you can visualize your projects across a horizontal timeline. First, let's head over to the Projects tab in the sidebar. You'll see a display option here. Go ahead and click on that to reveal the view options. From the menu that appears, choose Timeline. Great! Now you can see all your projects laid out chronologically across a horizontal timeline, making it easy to spot overlaps and dependencies. Want to narrow down what you're looking at? The filter options let you drill down by team, assignee, or priority level. Here's where you can organize your timeline by grouping projects in a way that makes sense for your workflow. You can also adjust how projects are ordered within those groups. Take a moment to configure the timeline options to match your team's preferences. Once you're happy with your setup, click Set Default for Everyone to make this the standard view for your whole team. Finally, hit Save to lock in your changes. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to set up and customize the timeline view to keep your projects organized visually.